Number 5.
Keep it clean, please. Name 3 nighttime activities.
That is definitely a nighttime activity. Number 4.
Eduardo.
Non credo.
Ah, non sto dicendo, non posso muovere.
Che basta.
Non posso muovere.
Bro has a guaranteed place in heaven.
Vai do my pod.
Number 3.
Help!
He's trying so hard to focus and not laugh.
Oh my god.
Number 2.
3 incredible shots.
Oh, fuck.
Wow, I've never seen you put the microphone that far down your throat before. Alright.
He said all right, like challenge accepted.
Oh my god.
You're gonna need your own pop sock.
Fuck, man.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.